Hey everyone, today I will be unboxing Monster High G3 Cupid. I managed to get her recently on Smith's. She was available last night and I managed to order her and she's arrived today. So I thought, let's unbox her. Here is the box art. I must admit I like the G3 Cupid box art right there. She's really pretty in person compared to how she looked online. More box art for people wondering. Alright, let's unbox her. So here she is. Before we take a look at the doll, here's everything she comes with. She comes with a little cute bag with arrows on, a cardboard cutout of Draculaura. I don't know what this is, but she comes with this. A little bag with a present in. Also a little birthday card. And Cupid name tag. And she comes with some macaroons. She's got a balloon, which I think is really cute. So she has a decent face screening, which is good. Her lips are gorgeous. I like the heart detail on there. She's got a great, I like the petticoat she's got underneath the net. I think that's a really cool design. She's got a little bracelet on that arm. Down here is her shoes. And that arm, she's got another bracelet with an arrow on. And there she's got some wings. I think she's gorgeous. Now, I got her for $30 at Smith's Toy Superstores. Online, she's not in actual stores yet. I got her online as she came in stock early. She wasn't meant to come in stock till the end of the month, I don't believe. I managed to get it very early, which I'm happy about. Now, her quality is actually kind of decent. I would rate her a solid 9 out of 10. Would recommend if you're a big fan of the G1 Cupid. I recommend buying her. She is adorable. Right, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoy. Bye.